Hi everyone, it's Danny. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have the GP Studio May box to unbox for you guys. So as usual, I have all the information in the description box. I'm not sponsored or affiliated with these guys at all. It's just my favorite subscription at the moment, so I like to share. Let's jump straight in. I have already opened this and been through it a little bit, but I haven't opened anything up yet. Okay, so I knew we were getting a TN in this one, so that's no surprise. Gabby, the owner, who designs everything, she's terrible at keeping secrets. She always puts up sneak peeks on Instagram, so I did know we were getting the TN. Okay, so that's kind of a rough overview. Let's go through everything zoomed in and a bit more detail. Okay, first thing on the top of the pile is this pen. It's like a matte black, very different, not the sort of thing you see every day, and it has Planner Girl written on it in white script. And it's just a twist up ballpoint. Next we have the divider tabs. As always, there are 6 designs and 2 of each, so 12 total. So it's very much a neutral marble with a little bit of a leaf print motif thrown in. Next we have the sticky notes, which I really like. These are marble with gold foil. And they just say note to self up the top with a gold foiled border, very pretty. We have quote cards. Oh, gold foil. We have 2 glam to give them. Bold dictionary definition. Life isn't perfect, but your outfit can be. Starve your distractions, feed your focus. Actually, I will. Dream plan do. Next, we have a little bow clip, and this is like a marble print fabric with a gold glitter center on a wide gold paper clip. Then next we have the washi, which is a black with gold, there we go, black with white veining in it and gold, faux gold leaf. Then we have the die cut, so I'm just going to speed through these like usual. They're all really pretty. I really like those houseplant die cuts. Then we have the sticker kit. Okay, so a functional sheet with your like faux foiled headers, boxes, checklists, habit trackers and headers, date covers, icons and deco, decorative boxes, flags and headers, decorative boxes, deco sheet, headers, checklists and meal little things, and divider tab labels. Then we have an A6 notebook to go in the TN, and it's that same desk die cut out of the die cut pack, the art on the front, and it just says a little book of notes. And the same on the back, those house plants, very pretty. As much as I like this TN, I'm not an A6 girl. And like, it's really nice, I just don't see myself using it, so I'm going to pass it along to someone who will actually love it and get a lot of use out of it. So I know a lot of people are looking for this, so I don't want to hang on to it and just have it sit in a drawer and never get used, when there are people that can actually use it and actually really want it. So let's take a look. It's this marble print on the outside. It's got 4 strands, black elastic, it's all stitched. The inside is black, it has secretarial pockets and 4 elastics. Yeah, I mean, there's not much else to really say about it. I think it's nice enough, but yeah, I just don't see myself using it. Sadly, it's not my size. Okay, so I just grabbed the insert and it's actually not A6. I think it's more like B6 because this does not fit in here at all. So, that's interesting. I wonder, that seems odd to me. Huh. Okay, well, maybe they're just trying to, I don't know. I really can't explain that one. Okay, on to the papers. I always leave these till last. I don't know why. These are sort of my favorite part. So that's the first pattern. It's like a stone with like a gold veining running through, which is pretty cool. It's not foiled, it's kind of like a faux gold. It's pretty cool. And then the back is a marble print with real gold foiling. So, well, you know, not real gold, but actual foiling. I know what I'm trying to say. Okay, then we have this geometric print. It's in black and white marble. And then the other side is this sort of, it's kind of like lace. And then like a grid in the background, that's interesting. Then another geometric pattern with more marble and gold foiling on the back. We have 2 sheets of vellum in this pack, which is really nice. This is the same paper from a previous box. I remember getting this brick sort of pattern in a previous box, but the colors are different. So that's cool. And then we have this leaf print. I love the sound of vellum. I love that sound, it makes me so happy. And then this is the acetate. It's kind of like, it reminds me of a snowflake. And I don't think that's what it's supposed to be, but I'm definitely going to be keeping this and putting it in my winter theme TN because it just reminds me of snowflakes. And it is mostly grey and white, like marble, but it's probably really hard to see. There is a little bit of pink in the middle of some of these diamonds. Well, that is everything. I really hope you enjoyed watching this unboxing. Everything in the box is beautiful as usual, gorgeous quality. I can't fault any of it. Definitely recommend signing up. If you get your box and you're not happy with it, or it's just not your style, it's very easy to destash them. There are always lots of people who missed out on subbing that are happy to take them off your hands. So I definitely think it's worth subscribing. For me personally, I don't mind if it's not my style a particular month. I can just pass it on quite easily and then wait for the next month. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you did, subscribe if you aren't already, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.